Hi guys, nandito naman tayo. Another weekend, another vlog.
Kahit bumabagyo.
Kahit bumabagyo, there's literally a hurricane category 1 happening right now in Hawaii. But you know, cravings are real. And,
Pati ikaw, cravings mo din to.
pero alam niyo na, pinapauso natin. Alis na tayo! Ha? You guys, we have tomato bisque on this rainy, stormy, and then nakahanap din kami ng focaccia bread. Finally, from our last vlog, naghanap kami ng focaccia bread. And I found it at all places, so of course we should have checked there. It's Safeway. But I put extra cheese on top and I put it back in the air fryer. Ngayon naman, May is checking her fasting blood sugar.
Feeling ko mataas.
Ano hindi? Check lang natin.
Tumataas na siya.
Imagine nyo, pinopoke niya ang sarili niya 4 times a day. And nilalagay niya siya dyan, no? Ganyan, no? Oh, 92. Pataas na siya. Usually, it's like 80s, lowest was like 77. And then, usually we try to keep that at under, what did you say? 95?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Kahapon 103.
yung fasting mo are starting to increase. So,
Kahit na wala akong masyadong kinain.
yeah.
So,
And then what she does is she actually logs everything on her phone and she screenshots it. When she was pregnant with Ava, she actually was like, they put her on like a stricter diet, right? Because we were part of the Sweeter Choice or whatever referral.
oh yeah, I only eat ano na yung healthy bread? Yung whole wheat and then peanut butter. Yung peanut butter na walang tamis.
And then nakaaway pa niya yung
Ay! Ayun.
yung ano siya, strict, like she really wanted her to go strict diet.
Kaya hindi na nga ako halos kumakain. Talagang yun na talaga yung sugar ko.
And now we're just managing it with the doctors. But she started insulin with Ava early, like 12 weeks. She might be starting insulin soon once it starts to go creeping up somewhere. But she's prepared.
I started 9 weeks kay Ava.
9 weeks pa yan. Akala ko 12.
9
Oh.
weeks pregnant. Start na ako kay Ava. Now I'm 18 weeks. And
Almost 19 weeks ka na.
18
Oo.
weeks and 3 days.
Kasi the reason why they want you to like go on insulin and stuff is because they're saying if you are diabetic or type 2 or whatever, na malaki yung anak mo lalabas. But Abe was only actually 5 pounds 6 ounces. So it's like, oh, and then her OB that time when she was giving birth, like, oh, I mean, what else are they expecting from you? You're such a tiny frame that you're not gonna have a 10-pounder, 8-pounder. So,
Ay, medyo chill sila.
medyo chill. But we're just gonna have breakfast now. And then hopefully the rain stops, the wind stops, para everyone's safe.
Balot.
Yung balot. Okay, we're gonna try to do balot. Hopefully they're open on this stormy day. But ganun talaga.
Kahit isa lang. Parang nakikita ko. Hindi ko naman kinakain yung sisiw, pero gusto ko lang yung sabaw. Tapos yung yolk.
See, imagine you guys, you cannot stop a pregnant woman. Kahit na alam mo na, like, you know what I mean? You have to fulfill your cravings. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. I don't know if you can see it, but it's super rainy. Yeah. I'm just praying that everyone is safe out there. Okay, see you later. This is the 2 hours after meal. Pinupush namin to kasi di ba sabi namin nga may hurricane na parating. And then ipipick up ko pa ng 1 p.m. yung nahanap namin. Well, nahanap ni May kasi cravings is life. Ngayon, nakahanap kami ng bibenta ng totoong mang inasal.
Hindi ko nga hinahanap eh.
Ano ba?
Hindi ko hinahanap. Basta na lang dumating.
We buy the chicken inasal from here.
Ah, wow.
It's like $21. So this is 27. So cheaper than going Philippines, di ba?
Feeling ko mataas to. Oh!
So pwede siyang kumain ng mang inasal and then extra rice.
83. I'm so proud, you guys. I had breads and tomato paste.
So gawin natin ngayon is mag-ready tayo. Well, not really kasi it's super windy outside. Like, tingnan natin kung how it looks like.
Ah, I want French fries.
French fries din?
Ano nang tinanggal ko, nakalimutan ko. Ano na yun? 83, no?
Oo.
83.
Go eat some more. Okay. Well, mag-ready na muna kami kasi pick up namin ng 1 and then gusto na babae only cash. So, I have to go to the bank.
Dito lang
and
sa
get cash.
TV, di ba?
Dito lang. Sa mga 5 minutes away from our house. See you later, guys. Guys, like what we said, nakahanap kami ng real yung real mang inasal during this stormy weather, but I think we're gonna go now before it gets worse because cravings are real. Oh, and happy wife, happy life. Pag naman tayo, so only in Kihei naman, it's nearby. There's literally a hurricane category 1 happening right now in Hawaii. But you know, cravings are real. And
Pati ikaw, cravings mo din to.
yeah, cause these are
Kita ko lang sa'yo.
totoong ano to eh, totoong mang inasal. If you don't know mang inasal, it's a grilled chicken that's like so good. I don't even know how to put it in words. We're gonna head out there. Cash lang gusto niya, so we're gonna go to ASB, get cash, and hopefully before all the crazy stuff happens now. Right now it's actually like super windy, if you can tell. Super windy. So ang ginagawa namin is tinanggal namin lahat yung nandito, so nothing gets blown away. Pero let's go. So guys, nangyari na nga, wala na ring power ngayon dito sa amin. Kaya alam ko na binilisan na namin na let's pick up everything now because I think there's not gonna be power. So I'm pretty sure kasi when we were driving here on the traffic lights were all down. Hindi na sila nag-work. So stay safe out there, guys. And then we're just gonna eat, maybe read books. Yeah, thank goodness Eva loves to read books now. So, and hindi na siya nagta-tablet. So, it's a good thing. Okay, bye guys. See you later.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
You guys, since walang power, all the windows are open, walang aircon. And
Really
then,
naman.
Thank God naka-ano pa yung dryer eh. I had a feeling the power was gonna go off. Sabi ko, bilisan ko na yung pang-wash. Then umabot naman ng 1 oras. So, sheer folding. Nagpo-fold na rin si May. Si Ava nandito rin. So, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna read, fold, hang out, talk stories. I don't know how long na walang power. Yeah.
You can open a toy.
Go.
There you go. Thank you. She's folded the panty. You guys, bumalik yung electricity. So, lahat nabuhayin kami. Close the door. Forgot to record the whole process, but nagluto ako ng sopas. Request ni Buntis. I'm gonna give my parents some. With hard-boiled egg pa to. Wait. Sopas, guys, with egg. For this rainy, windy weather.
Okay. 109. After lunch.
Kakain na siya ng sopas.
Dinner after eating sopas. See to our result. Parang natakot pa rin ako kaya ginagawa ko to 4 times a day.
Oh, yeah.
Ah. Oops! I wash my hands before doing this.
The beauty of pregnancy, diba?
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari kapag kumain ka ng sopas and gestational diabetic. Sinasabi ko na nga, tama pa din. 104. It means I can eat again.
Guys, ito na yung truth. Talagang totoong the real. na
The
mang
moment
inas-
of truth.
The moment of truth. Ito yung totoong mang inasal, guys. You see it? Sabi ko muna to. Ito yung mang inasal, guys. Totoo to. Hindi to yung gawa-gawa lang namin. Totoo to. I don't know how
Naamoy mo talaga siya.
Hindi ko alam talaga kung paano nila dinala. Ginawa ko rin yung ginagawa nila. Toyo mansi.
Yung mansi. And then merong chicken oil.
Guys, ito yung totoong mang inasal. Hindi to copycat. As in like galing. Medyo mahal siya, pero you know, it's like $22 for a imitation inasal here.
Hindi siya...
Ito 27, manok lang, pero I added my own rice. Brown
my
rice
gosh.
naman, ito.
So, gamitin mo na lang yung chicken oil ko
Oo,
para
para-
huwag mo na
oo.
mabubusan
Yeah.
yan. Hindi ko naman kailangan ng ganun kadami. Hindi
Tingnan
lang
natin
naman
ng
yung
chicken
aking rice.
oil.
Excited ako!
Tingnan natin, guys.
Kasama namin si Eva. Eva, na move here.
Oy, come here.
No need.
Come here. Eva,
No.
come here.
No.
Okay. Tingnan natin, guys.
Legit.
Amoy pa lang. Ito yung chicken, guys.
Ingat. Mm.
Yung toyo mansi nila. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Try natin.
Baka naman, bigyan
Ano na si
naman.
Eva, pero pakakainin ko rin siya.
I'm high to block.
Say hi to the vlog. No, I give you chicken. This is really good.
Mas mura naman ang bibili ka na nito kaysa Pilipinas.
This is yummy.
Dilipad ka pa. Sabi ang galing.
Ang galing.
Ang bango pa.
Diyan matagal na natin hinahanap, Han.
Oh, kasi mahirap magdala talaga. Or hindi ko nga alam kung pwede.
Ayaw kumain ni Eva. Eva, it's so yummy. You wanna try the chicken? Ayaw niya.
Ito 27 but it comes with 2 chicken.
Oo. Bali, ang binili namin. Dalawa. Dalawang ganito. Yung isa is dalawa. So, 4 total. Itag isa lang naman maubos namin. So, nandiyan pa yung isa.
Wow.
Sa,
Medyo mo
ng
during
Coke
the
dito, pero hindi ako uminom ng
medyo
Coke.
during the storm talaga. Umili tayo.
Alam mo, kasi kapag ka,
Pag gusto.
wala kang masyadong magawa, nag-scroll ka sa cellphone mo, tingin ka sa Facebook Marketplace, mahanap mo yung mga tukso. Yung pinakita ko kay Hannah.
Pag gusto
Hindi
mo
kasi
talaga.
kaming dalawa yung naghahanap nito noon pa. Yung dalawa.
Alam namin na impossible to eh.
Sabi ko, nung nakita ko, tama ba itong nakikita ko? Mang inasal.
Legit ba to? Ganun.
Tinan ko kay Honey.
Order ka na.
Tapos sabi niya, order na tayo agad. So,
Naubos
hindi
na
ko
ba?
lang cravings, guys.
You like it? You should like it.
Kasi for sure,
Wanna try it?
kung ikaw ang nakita, bibilin mo to, di ba?
Eh, hindi ka man naman mahilig sa chicken ngayon.
Hindi ako mahilig sa ibang chicken. Pero ito, kinikrave ko. Itong chicken na to. Kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung binili natin sa Seafood City.
Oh my goodness.
Bumili kami ng lechon manok. Parang, ang lasa niya parang luma.
It's burger.
Ang mahal-mahal pa naman. I mean, for me, mahal na yun. Kasi,
Wait, no. Grabe. I don't know how they did it, but she said.
rice pa po.
Diba? Only rice yun, diba?
Diba? Imagine mo.
It's happy.
Hindi ko alam kung enough na yung rice ko, pero kinokontrol ko yung rice ko, pero pag ganito talaga,
May chicken oil pa sila. I don't know how they brought this, pero ang galing.
simpleng kaligayahan naman.
That's spicy.
Ow, ow.
It's spicy.
You always want mang inasal.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Sabi ko kasi kapag dumating tayo ng Pilipinas, gusto kong kainan agad mang inasal.
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy.
I think nung dumating tayo last time, unang kinainan natin is Chowking.
Oh.
Di ba? Kaya mang inasal talaga.
Oh my God.
Tapos, ang nakakasak sa Pilipinas, di ba dito pagka mga fast food, ganun.
Mm.
Walang masyadong tao. Like,
Mm.
hindi siya busy, nagda-drive to lang sila or pick up lang. Pero pag sa Pilipinas, as in punong-puno, di ba?
Yeah.
Gusto natin kumain ng mga inasal noon nung nasa SM tayo. Tapos puno.
Mm-hmm.
Be nice.
Punong-puno talaga.
Punong-puno yung mga inasal.
We call it.
Kaya na pag lunchtime. Ito talaga kasi, may konting tamis siya, pero mas savory siya.
Mm-hmm.
Yung last time na natikman namin na inasal,
Okay
on
naman.
the sweeter side siya. Pero hindi siya ganito kalimlam kasi. Hindi ko alam kung anong secret ng mga inasal, pero ang sarap. Parang kulang yung toyo mansihan.
Mm.
Parang kailangan mong gumawa ng bago. Ay, nako! Ang sarap!
Worth it naman.
Worth it naman. Kasi $27 tapos hatiin mo sa dalawa eh.
Yeah.
$13.50
Di ba?
ang isang tao. Oh, you're eating cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Ikaw, anong namimiss mo pa sa Pilipinas?
Masahe.
Masahe.
We were trying to book a massage before, sa IVF. Pero
Kailangan pala mas
1 month ahead, 2 months ahead kasi
months
po.
ahead ka magbubuk.
Mm.
I mean, pwede naman, pero parang medyo cautious ako.
No. Sabi, this makes me want to eat rice somewhere. Like,
I know. Ang dami ko napapanood kasi na nagmumukbang ng inasal.
Diba?
Sarap naman.
Message nyo lang ako kung gusto nyo pa. Sabi na.
Bigyan ito, tapos gawin nating stock.
Buong kasing buong box siya kasi.
Lasahan mo kayang maigihan para gayahin natin.
Yun ang inaano ko.
No.
Matamis-tamis din siya eh.
Alam mo, dapat manood tayo ng YouTube, yung mga kapikat
inasal.
na Oo. Hanggang sa makuha natin yung talagang lasa na. Harap! Ang OA.
Bakit mo?
OA. Ilang taon na kaming ginakain ng ganito. Ilang taon na? Kailan tayo last pumuntang Pilipinas?
December 2023.
Hindi.
Mga 3 years.
3 years na.
Magti 3 years.
Naimiss kong umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Mm. Nakailan nga yung bread.
Mas baka sabihin nyo, hindi namin pinapakain yung anak namin. Talagang maarte talaga yan. Makain siya, guys. Ano mo?
Sabi siyang gusto.
Masamsame!
Mangan tayo. Mangan
Ano
mantila.
mga tayo? Mali yun.
Mantila, right?
Mangan
Mangan tayo.
Mangan tayo la!
Mantila, ganila.
May baybayag! Mangan tila! Yan.
Around.
Ganito kami, guys. Parang kahit na yung isaw, $50, ganun. Talagang bibili namin. Kasi mas mura pa yun kaysa bibili ka ng plane ticket eh.
Diba?
Tikman mo lang. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung feeling na nandun ka talaga. Grabe.
Paubos na ako.
Grabe!
Mm.
Nagmumuya ka, boy?
Yeah. See you on the next vlog na kasi. Bilis ng mukbang ko, guys.
Ano, hindi na mukbang.
Ang
Parang
bango niya
niluluto mo
talaga.
lang.
Pero ang bango niya talaga.
Ninanamnam ko bawat strand. Kahit na yung sisig nila masarap.
Kino?
Mga inasal.
Where what?
Mga inasal kung pwede lang, mag-open naman kayo dito sa US.
Sa Hawaii?
Specifically sa Maui, Hawaii.
No, di ba?
Baka nandun kami every night.
Maraming manok dito.
Maraming pag-alagalang manok dito.
Okay, next time ulit. Ano kayo next na mukbang natin? Pag-isipan natin.
Buong lechon, gano'n.
O sige, sige. Try
Okay.
namin nga. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Pupunta kami ng park ni Eva. Ito ba naman ang i-request niya? Sabi ko, sino bang gusto mong, who are you trying to impress? It's just a park. Early flight again today. Baby check-up. We're waiting for it to open so we can bring this to Oahu. Guys, nakasulat open 6:30 to 3 p.m. Pero they close at 12:30. That's what the guy said. On again! Delayed yung flight. It's okay. Safety first. Mga bilis. Eva would like this. Look, Eva, I'm on. Labas na tayo. Ha? Right here. So guys, delayed kami. But we're just waiting for Ina guys to get here. Ito na sila. Please, 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 please. Hello, hello. So guys, nandito na tayo sa 18-week ultrasound. Ready to do the anatomy scan, height, and laki ng baby. Ano pa?
The gender.
The gender. Oo.
Can you feel any of baby's movements yet? A little bit, like on the side. The flutters? Yeah. Good. And with their head going completely down into that spine. Very good. 167 for that heart rate. Very good. Was she hoping for a brother or sister? Or she was just like...
First sister, yeah.
First she wanted a sister, yeah.
Gender reveal, and she's like, I don't want a baby brother. Right when we opened the hospital.
Really? Oh, good. Well, I'm glad it worked out.
Start low here at baby's head, measuring the lateral ventricle here in the brain. Anything under 10 is normal. About 6.5, that's very good. This is baby's belly here. Got a big belly too.
I think he's just measuring very well, so that's good. He's proportionately big.
And it's definitely a boy.
Right in between the legs. There's the visual confirmation.
All 5 toes on this one. We are 10 for 10 on the toes. He's putting his hand in between his legs. Such a boy. Oh, he's stubborn. He's gonna have a stubborn boy.
I'll have Dr. Hirata get some 40.
Baby just turned away from me. Alright, we'll come back to this. The placenta looks like it's all the way up to the top. It goes from the back of the wall, back of your uterus, here, all the way to the top of the uterus and comes back around. You know what you're having, right?
Yes.
There's a penis, it's a boy. There's a face. The hand is right next to the cheek. See that? Guapo.
There. Noodle. Guys, we're here eating mangan tayo. Diba? Ito yung driver namin.
Natutunaw na si Bear.
Natutunaw na si Vero. Mahulog na siya.
Yung masarap na.
How is it? Good? Kumusta naman? Sarap din. Basta may CR daw. Okay na siya. How Lex? Okay lang. Curry in this. I can smell curry.
Pero ang mga customer nila dito kalami may daw siya.
We're at Changwon Camp, huh?
Ilang pot hash.
We'll do 6 maybe.
It's lang daw.
Yeah.
Pero masarap.
It's on the heart. You know, Teletubbies. You can order it. Ava, look more of your labubus. Look at that. And the guys. When did this one happen? When did this one open? Ito naman tayo sa Pop Mart. Wala naman kami bibilin, guys. Just looking. Dito tayo sa H Mart before we go back to the airport. Meron tayo. Sweet potato man. Meron pa. Our Korean noodles. And then all the nuts in the world.
For madam.
Yeah.
No need that.
You can get. Come on. You guys, naalala ko nung nagbibigay pa tayo ng shot. Ano po?
Oo.
What do you call?
Progesterone.
When we're doing the progesterone shot. And then, nakalagay lang kay baby boy. And then, the timing was like
Strict.
so strict. And then, na-delay pa kami ng
2 times? 3 times?
3 times. So, we were late like 3.5 hours. So, nakatime lahat yun based on the shot time, which was 6 p.m. And then, bigla dumating yung aeroplano like 5.
Oo, and then yung first time na
45 p.m.
and then yung first time na nag-home tayo na sa
First time na ma-delay yung flight. So, I gave it to
imagine mo, nag-take off yung aeroplano.
Yeah, kasi dapat kasi on time palagi. Dapat on time palagi yung shot niya. So, parang finish namin like the very last minute. And then I think I gave it to you like 5:45. Punta tayo sa CR. Kine-check ko. Kasi we're trying to push it as early as 6 p.m.
Please only board when your group letter is called.
Nakakatakot. Yun ang pinaka
Pinakita ko pa yung hindi daw ginagawa ko yung hindi daw dito.
nakakabagaan, nakaka-stress ng flight. Mas nakakatakot pa yun kaysa nag-travel tayo ng international na palipat-lipat tayo ng airline. Mas nakakatakot. Yun.
But it worked out. Chinek pa namin kay daw para.
Kami yung pinakalasa ng board. Tapos para tayong ewan na sumisilip-silip pa rin na
This is our
habang hinihintay namin.
One World Ruby members and
Those were the
premium class
times.
guests.
Well, mga board na
You
kami
may board
guys. See
now
you
or
afterwards.
anytime through the first class and Atlas status.
Guys, ito na to tong si Buntis. Like, she literally went to the freaking bag to try to eat that food.
That you
Tingnan
keep
niyo.
your seatbelt fastened at all times when seated. When the
You guys, she likes her new ones that we got from Skechers. And then iniwan na niya yung, she left her other Crocs now.
Shadows.
Do you like that?
Yes.
Nagpiprint ako ng pictures ni B Sparkle. Ano si delivery? Nagpiprint ako ng pictures niya. Kasi hindi na sila nagpiprint sa doctor's office eh. So, it's been a while.
Ang laki pera.